How to import a blog to Wix Studio. To do that, head over here to your blog and then head over right here to your post. So once you have done that, it will allow you to see in here the post that you have just created. So we have in here this more actions option, and we can see in here this import post. So click on that right there. Now in here, it will ask you where you want to import the post from. It can be from another website or another WordPress site. So for example, right here, let's choose another website and click on next. And then after that, this will load and click on this get started option. And then just choose in here which website you want it added. I'll choose in here this site. And then after that, click on next. And then it will get the info. We have 6 posts import. Just check this box and click on this import post. And then once you have done that, those posts will be imported. You can see in here the progress. And the import is done and it will be added right here. So that's how you import blog to Wix Studio. Hope we helped.